please me, baby. You got what I want and what I need, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say, please.
Hey Forever Dolls, welcome back to my channel. So today I have recorded for you guys a pink glitter cut crease using chunky glitter, you guys. Again, I know I just cannot get over the glitter, you guys, but anyways, I'm not going to talk too much. You guys already know the drill. Like, subscribe, and share. Turn on your bell notifications so that you never miss a live. I'm not live, I'm live YouTube. Just turn on your notifications so that you never miss these mistakes, you guys. Like, what would you do without them? Like, you know? Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the video. Hey Forever Dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you can already tell by the title of the video, we are going to be doing a pink cut crease today with a bit of glitter. So I'm going into my James Charles palette, and I'm going to be grabbing that pink out of there. This is like a one palette look, y'all. Super duper easy. One palette, two brushes. Easy as pie. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is going into my P. Louise base in the shade 02, and I'm going to be using that to cut my crease. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is go in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray to just rejuvenate my face, help my face get ready for the foundation that we're going to be applying today. I'm going in with my Urban Decay All Nighter foundation, and I'm going to be using this to even out my skin today. So the next thing that I'm going to do is go into my ColourPop concealer in the color medium, and I'm going to use this to highlight underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and underneath my nose and my chin. So now I'm going to go into my lip duo. You should already know it's the NYX. The only thing I changed this time was the lip liner. I went and used the Huda Trophy Wife lip liner because I didn't want a brown. I wanted like a pink kind of lip liner, so I went for the Trophy Wife. So now I'm going to go into the Tarteist Pro Glow palette, and I'm going to be using this darkest pink out of the palette for my blush, and I'm going to be using the first highlighter color in the palette to achieve my highlights. And y'all, this blush is lime because I do not be smiling this much. I don't even blush. Yep, donut. So this pretty much concludes the look, you guys. If you like it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you feel like I can improve on something, go ahead and comment in the comment section box down below and tell me what I can work on. I love you guys so much, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next mother freaking video.